This video on product management talks about adapting to changing market needs and shifting the focus towards product platforms than just products. Let's recap what we have talked about product management in the past. It is a multifaceted, complex discipline that requires expertise in planning, forecasting, production, and marketing of products. In order to launch successful products, product managers need to be masters of all trades, to coordinate with many teams and lead them in harmony. Let's take the example of iTunes, which was launched as a product by Apple in 2001, when Mac OS covered only 5% of the market. Apple realized this mistake and launched it as an app for the Windows platform in 2003, and we all know what happened after that. Another example is of Facebook's win over Google+. Google+ is undoubtedly a good product, but Facebook has an edge over it by being a platform. The popularity of Facebook does it no harm either. Instagram is a success story too, because it adds to the platform of Facebook. It is a mutually beneficial relationship for both the businesses. Similarly, Flickr was acquired by Yahoo to become a player in the image hosting platform, and the huge customer base that came with Flickr was beneficial. Are these just success stories, or is there a relationship between products and platform and their subsequent success? Let's find out the differences between products and platform. The traditional way of building a product called pipes is a very linear approach to product design. There is a producer who creates value on one side, and there is a consumer on the other side. However, in a networked age, this linear model of building products is breaking down, and there is now a more broader way of networked value creation. The key difference between product and platform is that platform creates an infrastructure for others to create products. There are many technical platforms available in the market based on varied needs of organizations. For example, YouTube works more or less like a television, except for it that it allows the interaction between producers who upload the video and the consumers who watch them. Platforms can be complex systems and difficult to control. They can be classified as company-level platforms that are common components or services for producing and selling product families, or they can be industry-level platforms that are common components, services, and frameworks for developing complementary products and services or creating marketplaces. Let's look at an example of a successful platform. At the heart of it, Facebook helps internet users stay connected with their friends, families, and colleagues. But we all know that Facebook also provides developers with an SDK to build applications and websites that are more personalized, social, and engaging. It also offers advertisers an ability to include social context in their ads. Yet another example is Uber. It is a classic two-sided marketplace where more cars on the network attract more travelers and vice versa. A higher participation from drivers is useful only if it results in higher availability.
Created using Powtoon.
Cloud platform provides the building blocks so you can develop everything from simple websites to complex applications. A consumer can provision computing capabilities such as server time and network storage as needed automatically without requiring human interaction with each service provider. Providers of IaaS offer physical or virtual machines and other resources. In PaaS, cloud models provide delivery of a computing platform. In SaaS, users are provided access to application software and databases. The responsibilities for each model is uniquely defined to provide maximum ease of use. SaaS is closely related to application service provider and on-demand computing software delivery models. So what is software as a service? It is a software distribution model in which applications are hosted by a vendor or service providers and made available to customers over a network, typically the internet. Let's see which vendors are providing SaaS capabilities. Of these vendors, we have chosen Cisco Webex as an example because it provides on-demand collaboration, online meeting, web conferencing and video conferencing applications, and it is a good example of SaaS. Infrastructure as a service is a provision model in which an organization outsources the equipment used to support operations, including storage, hardware, servers, and network components. The service provider owns the equipment and is responsible for housing, running, and maintaining it. The client simply has to pay a per-use fees for the service it has taken. Let us see which vendors are providing IaaS capabilities. Generally, public cloud services like Amazon AWS own and operate the infrastructure at their data center and access it generally via the internet. The client again pays a per-use fee for the services rendered. Platform as a service is a way to rent hardware, operating systems, storage, and network capacity over the internet. The service delivery model allows the customer to rent virtualized servers and associated services for running existing applications or developing and testing new ones. Let's see which vendors are providing PaaS capabilities. Our chosen example is Salesforce, where Force.com is a cloud computing platform as a service system from Salesforce.com, part of an overall Sales for One platform that developers use to build multi-tenanted applications hosted on their servers as a service. Lastly, testing as a service is an outsourcing model in which testing activities associated with some of an organization's business activities are performed by service providers rather than employees. These are some of the important aspects of a successful model of a product platform, and it should be followed. Coding refers to how we create a new platform when none existed before. Tipping refers to how to win a platform battle when multiple platforms compete. And these will be necessary tools for product management. So, if you want to build the next platform but not sure where to look, easy. Just pick any category from Craigslist and you will have a different platform.
Created using Powtoon.